Hello friends, you're welcome to this very powerful session of today, and today I will be guiding you through the process of designing a striking three-letter monogram logo in a polygon shape using the grid line method and then the shape builder tool. I will break it down step by step for easy understanding. Now, if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Without much further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, I would like to head over to File and then create a new document. So I would like to leave everything from here. I would like to leave my width at 2000 and then the height 2000 as well. And let me head over and hit on create. So right before us is an empty canvas, and the first thing I would like to do is to head over to my line tool and then draw a perfect straight line. So if you have difficulties in drawing a perfect straight line, you can head over to your angle of rotation and then make it 270 as well. So now let's head over to our selection tool and then highlight everything that is here. Let's head over to our keyboard and then hit on Alt and then drag it by the right to have a duplicate of the line. So I actually need 14 lines to perfect this very design. So I have to press on Ctrl D on my keyboard 12 times to have 14 copies of lines. Now I was able to have 14 lines, and let's highlight it and head over to align, and then let's give it a vertical align center. So let's highlight everything and then group it. Now let me drag and place it somewhere here. Now since we want to achieve this very particular design in polygon shape, now let's head over to our rectangular tool and then locate polygon tool. Now let's draw a polygon. Yeah, so let's rotate this very particular polygon to do something like this is okay. So let me drag and then place it somewhere here. So we want to rotate this very particular one toward align with the polygon shape. Yeah, something like this. But there is no need actually for doing that. I already have a defined angle. Okay, now let me head over toward my angle of rotation and then give it a 30. Yeah, so it has now aligned with our polygon shape. So I don't no longer need this very one. I'll delete it. So what next I would like to do from here is actually to highlight this very particular group of lines and head over to edit and then hit on copy, head over to edit again and then paste in place. Now let me right click and then head over to transformation and then reflect our copy of lines. Now let me hit OK. So what next I would like to do from here is let me highlight this very particular one and then head over to edit, copy, and let me head over to edit and then paste in place. So let's locate our angle of rotation and then give this very particular one 90. Yeah, so let me highlight this very particular one and head over to edit and hit on copy, head over to edit again and then paste in place. So let's change the angle of rotation to something 0. So with this guys, we're able to have a perfect collection of lines in polygon shapes. Okay, so I was able to use that group of 14 lines to form a perfect shape of a polygon. So now let me highlight everything that is here and head over to my vertical align center and give it a vertical align center. So let me come back and I'll group this very particular collection of lines. So what next I would like to do is I'll head over to my shape builder tool and then hit and activate it. So right from here I would like to change this very particular one to black. So let me double click to check whether if this is black indeed. Alright, let's bring this one down. Let's make everything 0. Yeah, so right from here guys, I would like to start drawing the size or the shape of my letters. So I will actually start from here. Let's zoom to see what we are doing. So you have to take your time and then make sure that you match all of those lines to form a perfect letter to what you want. So now let's draw the other letter M. Now I would not like to complete this drawing of forming of this letter M, right? Now we'll go ahead to create the letter P. So we have to draw this up to somewhere here. Yes. So once there is mistake, you hit on Ctrl Z to come back. Now let's draw this line downward and let's form this shape downward. So now let's continue drawing our line, in this way. I think I'm in love with what I'm seeing. It's making sense actually. So now let's draw this very line as well. So I'll quickly go around and then check where it needed to be matched to form a shape. So guys, we're able to have the letter O, the letter M, and we're also able to have the letter P, our stylish letter P. So we're able to divide in between this letter M and then the other part of the letter M as well. And then we also have the other part of the letter P, or the extension of this very particular line, right, in different shape as well. So what I would like to do is to extract this very particular design, okay, from the lines. Now let me head over to a selection tool and so guys, let's highlight everything that is here and let's right click and ungroup everything. Yes, so let's select each and every letter and ungroup it as well. Let's select this one and check whether if it is grouped. Let's select this one and check whether if it is grouped. Let's select this one and ungroup as well. So we check this one and it's not grouped. We check this one is also not grouped. So now let's head over to our keyboard and then hit on Shift to select our design. So let's select everything that is here and delete it. We don't no longer need the lines. So what I'll be doing right from here is, let me highlight this very particular design and then increase the size of the stroke to beautify our design. So I would like to leave it at 14. I think it's okay. And let me head over to object and expand it. And let me hit on OK. Yes. So what will happen is, I would like to unite each and every of the letters and then the shapes one after the other. And let me head over to this very particular first one and head over to my pathfinder and then hit on what? Hit on unite. So let's head over to object again and expand. Hit on OK. Now let's hit on unite. Yeah. Now let's do the same to this. Let's hit on unite. Let's also do the same, unite. Please, if there is difficulties in doing this, let's head over to object again and then expand this very particular document and then hit on OK. Now let's hit unite. So let's also select this very particular one and hit on unite. Let's select this one, hit on unite as well. And let's select this very particular one that is from behind and then hit on unite. So guys, we're able to unite all of the letters, okay, the letter O, the M, P as well, and then this very other particular part. So right from here guys, I would like to bring in my color palette and then color everything that is here. And let me head over to file and then place particular color. I'd like to place somewhere here. Now let me highlight this very particular one and then this one as well, and head over to my color selection and then select this very particular color. Yeah, let me also do this to this P. Let me head over to color and then select this very particular one. Now let me right click on this and head over to arrange and then bring this one to front. Yes. Now let's also do this to this guy. Let's right click and then head over to arrange and then bring it to front. Yeah. So with these guys, let's work on this very particular edge. Now let's head over to our to this very particular direct selection tool, and what will be happening from here is, let's locate this pen tool and then let's add anchor points, okay, to this very particular one. Now with the help of this smart grid line, now guys, with the help of this smart grid line, I would like to create a path here, and I would also like to create another perfect path. I think let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so let's head over to delete anchor point again, delete this very particular one and then this one as well. So let's do the same thing to this very particular guy. Let's head over to our direct selection tool and let's head over to our pen tool and then add anchor point. So let's add a point from here and let's also add another point right from here. Now let's go back and then select delete anchor point and then let's delete here and let's also delete here as well. So now let's go back to our direct selection tool and hit on these very particular edges and then drag it, okay. With the help of this smart guide, actually I should be able to know that yes, whether if I extend this very particular line. So guys, with this we're able to have this powerful logo, okay. Now as you can see, we're able to have the letter O, M and our P with the extension of this very particular line. All right, this is how we're able to achieve this very particular one. So you can go ahead as well to change the color and do some little branding. Maybe you want to add 3D, what have you. Okay, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and doing so it will help us to go a long way. See you in other coming tutorials. Bye.